The best foods are not served in restaurants with fancy coloured dots on the plate and a single leaf for drama. Steam. For me, the best meals happens during stormy rains and howling winds rattling outside the windows, stepping inside into warm aromatic smells like a hearty embrace. Bubbling broths and simmering savoury stews on the stove, herby dumplings or homemade Char Siu bao. But nourish and cherish the soul. That's the food to die for. The best foods are not found in restaurants, nor Instagram, nor TikTok. Food to nourish the body, mind, and soul doesn't start with a phone call or a click on an app or on a website. It's not brought over with a knock at the door and a huge hole in the wallet. Juicy that is. It begins and reveals itself inside the kitchen, unraveling through the process of cooking, the alchemy of nourishment. Ask any artist. He or she will tell you with glassy eyes that it is the process that is priceless. The necessary challenge and the test, the triumph over the struggle is the reward. The best food empowers the body, the mind, and the spirit, enjoyed amongst family, friends, and strangers who are really, in essence, new friends. Cooking is like chasing a memory. Family recipes are point reminders of childhood, a time of innocence and of yearning. Smells can evoke memories at a profoundly evocative emotional level. I miss my dad. I miss my mum. And when I make their foods, I relive, retaste my childhood. Food is identity. Feeding my kids with what I grew up eating, my children never knew my parents. So through cooking with me and eating my foods, I feel they get to taste my childhood, their roots, their identity through me. Not too much, better too little than too much. Oh dear.
Perfect.
Very nice. No, you can't fool around with it. Okay, very nice. Cracks should be nice and made Char Siu. And it's getting sticking, but you don't want it too sticky.
Oh, so pretty.
The dishes I cook are full of tradition, heritage, stories, and memories laid down on the family dinner table. This is one way I can nourish their memory in food and family meals. Nurturing in my children my parents' tradition, and this invisible thread is like a magical dialogue running from one generation to the next. Food has the power to transport us. Cooking old family recipes is honoring and paying deepest respect to them, like saying hi and giving them a warm hug across a great cosmic divine. Cooking makes me feel my ancestors are close to me through our hearts and our stomachs. Here's my bao. Cracked like a professional. It's not white because I used honey because I don't have sugar in my house. I figured what could be bad. So this is raw honey and it's doable. So that's why it's not white, it's a little beigey. But it has no yeast. It is full on sourdough, which is the authentic and original Char Siu bao. Char Siu is also the filling which I made. And it's the crack. Char Siu bao has all the lines and the cracks as it should be. And here is the point. The bun is perfect. Soft, pillowy, clouds. There we go.
Oh.
Beautiful. Right? Perfect. Really, really great dough. Came out puffy, trick is not to roll it out so thin as dumplings, but give it a good thickness so that the dough puffs up in the very hot steaming and cracks on the top. That's when you know it's an authentic char siu bao, by the cracks. Perfect. Filling is delicious, juicy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If you enjoyed any of my recipes, please hit the subscribe button. You have no idea how much it helps me. Click the like and see you next time. Happy cooking!